You impress me because you go the extra step and you're passionate about what you do. How is that? How did you become so passionate about what you do?
So I've been installing me as a child. My dad told me whenever you do something, do be the best at whatever you can be. Do it to the best of your ability anyway. And I always have loved the electronics. So,
Really?
Yeah. I just always have like breaking them down, looking into them, see what's in them, see how they function, what makes them function.
Yeah.
So I always have been curious about electricity, and which is a subject I took up.
Yeah.
I got my it's not a license, but I do have a certificate stating that I'm an electrician by trade.
Really?
So ever since I was a kid, I've been real fascinated by electricity.
Now, your work ethic, you went the extra step, you took the time, you lifted, you pulled, you pushed, you sweated. That is extraordinary. How does that happen?
I mean, that's motivation with the job. That comes with the territory, Well, customers are always right. So you have to, take care of your customer, they're going to take care of you. So as long as you're being a good person, doing what you're supposed to do, and explaining things to them if they don't understand, then they'll appreciate it.